Hello everybody. I'm standing here where the story of many Mercedes cars begins. And right now, more and more parts of our company are in the process of a restart. Sindelfingen and Wörth are just two of many plants that are gradually ramping up production. And it's exciting to finally see us once again doing what we know best, building great vehicles. Obviously, I can't visit all of you this week, so to everyone who's back at work, welcome. Great to have you with us again. Our number one priority is, of course, your safety. That's why we're implementing additional measures at all our sites worldwide to help protect our most precious asset, you. In other parts of our company, it will take longer before we can return to normal operations. The situation differs by location, and we must deal with this. I know many of you are burning to get back to work. Some of you are working from home, some are even doing double shifts, taking care of our company and your families. So to all of you, thank you for your patience and endurance. We're also happy to welcome back our customers to most of our showrooms. That's just great, and I can promise you, we're not hitting the brakes when it comes to our future flagship models and EV plans. There will be new exciting high-tech awaiting you in the upcoming months, like this one. So stay tuned. Till then, thank you, and please take good care of yourselves and your loved ones.